Did you know that you can set up your gesture controls in Procreate to bring up a quick menu with just a single touch of a finger? Let's talk about how to do that. You'd go into Tools, Gesture Controls, Quick Menu, and you would switch on Touch. And as it mentions here, a finger touch will invoke the quick menu. So as simple as that, you've got your quick menus available to you no matter what with just a single touch. And this can save you a lot of time over time as you're working deeply in the middle of projects and you don't want to have to keep going up to the menus up here to access various items. It will allow you to access tools up here in the adjustments. It'll allow you to choose specific brushes that are your favorites and a lot more. And if you've never used the quick menu before, let me tell you a little bit about that. I've set up 4, and I plan to make more as time goes on, but my main ones are sketching, basic brushes, portrait favorites, and tools. In this case, you're looking at the tools, and these are several of the tools that I use constantly, especially Alpha Lock and Liquify. And I'm also testing out different ones to see what I use most often, and I can always make more quick menus or switch each item to something else. For example, let's say I decide I don't really want layer select there. I can choose something else by holding onto the item until the menu, the set menu comes up. So I can then choose something like open adjustments. So let me show you what that looks like. It'll just pop that open to make things a little bit quicker. And then I can also go in and add more. And if you hover or if you touch and hold, you can actually bring up the renaming. So I know I want to do one that's hair favorites. So I'll just make one for that. And here it starts out showing no action, but what I will do is hold on to this and scroll all the way down towards select brush. And I know I've got hair brushes way down here, which would take me forever to get to. And I'm going to just pick one here, probably silky hair, for example. So I can choose that and boom, there we go. And if I hit set markers, I would have those already set too, and I could go right to the size or the opacity that I want it to be. So that can give you an idea of how to do this quickly. And yeah, I use this all the time now. Now that I went ahead and took the time to set it up originally, this will save me time as the years go by. So I highly recommend giving this a try. Again, go to Tools, Gesture Controls, Quick Menu, and then Finger Touch. This is Sheree Lasota from WaveFlowHub.com. Happy painting!